Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, today I'm going to try the same color palette I used yesterday, which is Artist Loft Light Blue, Turquoise, Aqua Green, Ultramarine, and Copper. The Copper and the Aqua Green are both opaques. The turquoise and the light blue are semi-transparent, and the aquamarine is transparent. So yesterday, when I poured those paints into this cup, the paints that I wanted to sink did sink, but by the time I laid down my base coat, they had started rising to the top. Now, ideally, you don't want that to happen until the paint is on your canvas. That's how you get cells. So I'm going to lay down my base coat first, and then I will put the paints in the cup so that they aren't sitting for so long. But first I will lay down my opaque because that won't be an issue. So this is a 10 by 10 canvas, which would be a little over 3 ounces of paint. Since I will be laying down a base coat, I don't need quite that much because I do want this to stretch. I used a little too much paint on that last painting as well. And that should be enough. Okay, let's put this base coat down. It's going to be tight. I'm pushing it as far as stretching this out. That's not a lot of paint. Okay, we have an adequate base coat there. Let's put some paint in a cup, shall we? I think I may reverse the order I put them in from last time. So I will do the light blue now, which is not sinking. Interesting. This will probably be too much paint again. All right, let's pour. Pop some bubbles. I'm just going to move this around a bit and see if there's anything lurking that might pop up besides what is obvious, like over here, but I don't think so. All right, I'm just gonna grab this corner over here. Recenter my paint before I change direction. Grab the schmutz. I'm going to catch this corner. Might be time for a new Floetrol bottle. I transfer my Floetrol from the gallon bottle to a smaller bottle. It's actually an alcohol bottle that I put a little stocking on to catch the lumps. But I think sometimes it just starts getting a little funky in there over time. If you don't catch the schmutz right away, it will leave marks behind. You will see little funky patterns like something is crawling through it or pulling it. And this is all coming from the copper. So it must have been a funky batch of copper. I'm just not loving this. This is generally, I want to keep my Fibonacci's, but that thing got a little funky on me. Okay, well, I will let that sit for a bit and see what happens. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. It's been sitting for a while. Got some unusual cells in this one. Got like this tiny lacing in that aqua green color. A few of the copper cells popped up. But I've not had this kind of lacing before with tiny cells in a straight pour. So that is something to take note of. All right, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And do check out the description box below this video for links to the Facebook group, Go Make Some Art, where you can post your own paintings and get some help if you need it. Also my Amazon page, my Amazon link there. If you go through it, anything that you purchase off of Amazon, I will get a Small commission of it, no extra cost to you. All you have to do is walk through the door. All right, you guys. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Go make some art.